Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send blank or empty messages on Signal Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, open any browser and type emptycharacter.com, and after opening the website, scroll down and here find this option, copy to clipboard. So all you have to do is just tap on that, and now open your Signal Messenger and open the conversation where you want to send the blank or empty message, and now long press on the typing box and tap on paste and tap on send, and here you can have successfully sent a blank message. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.